In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Notion using automation tools like Zapier or Make.com to streamline your scheduling process. If you're looking for a way to effortlessly keep track of your meetings in Notion without manual data entry, you've come to the right place. First off, you'll need to make sure that you have both a Calendly account and a Notion account set up. These platforms are fantastic on their own, but become even more powerful when combined. Calendly, as you might know, is a great tool for scheduling meetings without the hassle of back and forth emails. On the other hand, Notion is a versatile workspace where you can organize everything from your to-do lists to databases. Once you've got these accounts ready and waiting, head over to either Zapier or Make.com. Both platforms are excellent for creating workflows that connect different apps, automating repetitive tasks, and saving you valuable time. Choose the one you're most comfortable with or the one that fits best within your budget and requirements. Next, you'll need to authenticate both your Calendly and Notion accounts on your chosen automation platform. This is crucial because it allows Zapier or Make.com to access the necessary data from both services securely. During this process, you might be asked to log into each account and confirm the permissions that allow your automation platform to operate. Take a moment during this step to ensure that only the necessary permissions are granted, which can help safeguard your sensitive data. With both accounts authenticated, it's time to set up what's known as a trigger. In our case, the trigger will be a new scheduled meeting in Calendly. This is essentially the event that kicks off our entire workflow. Each time a new meeting is scheduled through Calendly, this trigger will initiate the creation of a corresponding entry in your Notion database, so you'll never miss an important appointment. Now that the trigger is in place, it's time to map the details of each event from Calendly to specific properties in Notion. This means you'll be deciding which pieces of information should be transferred over, such as the date, time, and invitee details. Carefully map each piece of data to its corresponding field in Notion. This alignment ensures that your entries are organized and useful. Finally, you want to test your new workflow. This step is vital to ensure everything functions as expected. Schedule a test meeting in Calendly and check Notion to see if the details appear correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and activate your workflow. With this integration activated, you'll enjoy seamless schedule tracking, making your workday just a bit easier. And that's all there is to it. By connecting Calendly and Notion, you've automated part of your workflow and removed any potential human error involved in transferring data. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.